Hey guys, I'm back again with another reaction video. Welcome back to my channel, Kemai Reactions. I really do appreciate you so much for coming back. So I'm back again, guys. We're doing another reaction video to K-pop versus J-pop. I hope no one taking offense to it. I am just reacting to what's act with me. So let's go and see. They'll be giving us this video. Oh, J-pop. Okay, e-girls. Okay. I like the previous group first with these two. Okay. She's a more like a singer. I guess she's a singer, or more of a singer. I love me some Shiny. Young, yeah. Hey. Generations. Are they from the Exile Tribe? Oh, of course they will put EXO after Generations. Oh, Generations and this is it's a hard one. What is it? Sekai no Orari? I don't know this person. Winner? Come on, get information, girls. Yes. Come on, Twice. With the other group, I like the other group with their formation and choreo. It's so synchronized, so I like that one better. Nisi, I need to look you up. Who is this? Oh god, I do like me Japanese man. I didn't know it was their name. Little Glee Monster. Okay. It's cute. It's cute. Not for me, but cute. What is this? IU? Okay. Third generation J-Soul Brothers. Come on, Exile Tribe. They won. They won. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, bang, bang. Oh, I want all of them. Come on. The graphic effects. Yes. Dum ba dum 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 dum. Oh, I do like me some 70s too. I do like me some 17 too. Yes. Okay. Oh, this is Blackpink. Okay, Blackpink. Blackpink in the area. I think I reacted to this group already, LOL. Okay, I like that. I like that. Masaki Suda. I do like my little rock type of feeling rock song. Oh, take me back to GAT, won't you? Red Velvet! Yes, go back. Gotta go back to that one. You gotta go back for that one. What? Come on, Riri. Yes. Yes. Come on, 2 p.m. please. Yeah. Oh, move them hips. Okay, who's this? Kizaka 846. Okay, Kiza 846. Okay, I need to look y'all up. I don't know this group. There's so many groups, oh my gosh. And they're all successful within their own rights. This one cannot happen in America, really. Come on, Japan. Come on, J-pop. This is cute. Love you, Hyuna. I love you. Love you. Hey. Come on, Sky. Hi. Hey. GOT7. Ha, 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 ha. Yes. Okay, J-Pop, you lost me here. He's a very good looking man, don't get me wrong, but we love you, a Japanese man. Ooh, that looks so good. Super Junior, oh my god! Mamacita! Yeah!
Hey, are you trying to start or grow a YouTube channel this year? If not, just skip.
No. No. Okay, this is okay. Okay, this. This I could get into. This I could get into. The others before. It's a very nice song to be that sultrous, seductive woman. Mrs. Green Apple? These rock bands love to have these names. No. Not for me. I'm not their market for this one. This video was a mixture of both when it comes to K-pop versus J-pop. They both side give me what I needed in this video. So for both is this one. But I'm happy to see Generations on there, J Soul Brothers on there. I would love to see SHINee on there. I like to see Big Bang on there, EXO on there, Blackpink was on there, GOT7 was on there. They both side give me what I want for this one. Comment what you guys think, like or love it. I really do appreciate it. Whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and I will get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.